Hello, dear students. How are you doing? By the end of the lesson, you'll be able to listen and repeat words correctly, understand teacher's questions, recognize and name some transcripts, and make sentences. Бүгін біз өткен тақырыптарды қайталаймыз. It's time to revise. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Суретке қарап, сұрағыма жауап бер. What is it? Бұл не? Well done. It's a car. What color is it? Қандай түс? It's red. Қызыл түсті көлік. What is it? Бұл не? It's a plane. Бұл ұшақ. What color is this plane? It's blue. Next word. What is it? Bus. So what color is this bus? It's yellow. Good job. Oh, what is it? It's a train. What color is it? It's green. Excellent. Look at this vehicle. What is it? Tram. What color is this tram? It's pink. Now you should choose one correct picture. You need to find a car. Мен көлік түрін айтамын. Сендер табасыңдар. Can you please find a car? Good job. It's a car. Plane. Excellent. It's a plane. Train. It's a train. It's time to revise prepositions of place. Қазір көмекші сөздерді есімізге түсіреміз. In. The apple is in the box. Ішінде. On. The apple is on the book. Under. The apple is under the table. Next to. The apple is next to the book. Behind. The apple is behind the book. In front of. The apple is in front of the book. Қазір мен бір көмекші сөзді айтамын. Сендер дұрыс суретті таңдайсыңдар. Under. Under. Қай сурет? Under көмекші сөзіне сәйкес келеді. Good job. This picture is correct. In. In. Well done. The second picture is correct. Next to. Next to. Good job. This picture is the right one. We learned some vehicles such as car, bicycle, bus, plane, train, and tram, and learned some prepositions like in, under, on, next to, in front of, behind. Thank you for your work. The lesson is over. Goodbye.